Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Firstly, let me introduce myself. My name is Naufal Hakim Zulian, and people usually call me Naufal. And I'm majoring in information system at Universitas Andalas. And my student number is 231-152-2026. And today I want to talk about what social network did I use daily, and how how much time did I spend on that social network. So I personally use Instagram as social network, sometimes Facebook, and I usually spend about uh, 5 maybe 6 hours a day on the Instagram app, usually scrolling to the reels and sharing some memes with my friend, and searching for some useful information and game information, and and much more, like uh, let's say memes, uh, video games, and yeah. So I spent about 5 hours on that. The next part is how much do you know about history of networking? So the history of networking is a story of human communication evolving from simple interpersonal interaction to complex global connection facilitated by technology. There's a brief overview of the key milestone. The pre-20th century. Networking in the earliest human societies relied on face-to-face communication and physical transportation of messages. This include oral communication, messengers, and eventually written letters carried by courier or postal system. The the telegraph that find in the 19th century. The telegraph invented by Samuel Morse in the early 19th century revolutionized long-distance communication by transmitting electrical signal over wires. It enabled message to be sent much faster than traditional means, and laid the groundwork for future networking technologies. Number three is telephone. On the late 19th century, Alexander Graham Bell's invention of telephone in 1876 marked another significant milestone in networking. It allowed for real-time voice communication over long distances, greatly enhancing the interpersonal communication. And the radio and television era, early to mid 20th century, the development of radio and television technology expanded the reach of communication even further. Broadcasting allowed for one-to-many communication, bringing news, entertainment, and information to mass audience. The early computer network era, 1960s to the 1970s, 17s. The groundworks for modern computer networking began with projects like ARPANET, or Advanced Research Project Agency Network, funded by the U.S. Department of Defense. ARPANET, created in the late 1960s, was the first area packet switching network and laid the foundation for the Internet. The TCP or IP protocol in 1970s. The development of TCP or IP, Transmission Control Protocol, or Internet Protocol, standardized networking protocols, allowing different types of computer and networks to communicate with each other. This laid the foundation for the modern Internet. Number 7 is commercialization of the Internet on 1990s. In the 1990s, the Internet transitioned from government and academic network to a commercialized global network. The World Wide Web, or WWW, introduced by Tim Berners-Lee in 1989, made the internet accessible to the general public, leading to explosive growth in online communication and commerce. Number 8 is broadband and wireless technologies. In the 2000s, the 2000s saw the widespread of adoption of broadband internet connection, enabling faster and more reliable access to online resources. Wireless technologies such as Wi-Fi and mobile network further expanded the reach of networking, allowing people to connect from virtually anywhere. Number 9 is cloud computing in the 2010. The rise of cloud computing in the 2010 revolutionized networking by enabling access to computing resources and service over the internet. This allowed for scalable and flexible solutions for business and individuals alike. Number 10 is Internet of Things, or IoT. In recent years, the proliferation of IoT devices has further expanded the scope of networking. Everyday objects are now connected to the internet, enabling new applications and services in areas like home automation, healthcare, and transportation. Overall, the history of networking reflects humanity's ongoing quest to connect and communicate more efficiently, leading to increasingly sophisticated technology and global interconnectedness. And now I wanna talk about the start of Instagram. Instagram is now one of the world's most popular social media platforms, had a relatively short but impactful story. Here's an overview of its beginning. The founding part on 2010. Instagram was founded by Kevin Systrom and Mike Krieger in October 2010. Yeah. Originally, it was launched as an iOS-only app, allowing the users to share photos and apply various filters to enhance their images. The early growth era. Within the just few months of its launch, Instagram gained significant traction, reaching 1 million users by December 2010. Its simple interface, intuitive design, and focus on visual storytelling appealed the users, leading to rapid adoption. Expansion to Android in 2012. After initially being available only on iOS devices, Instagram expanded to the Android platform in April 2012. This move dramatically increased the user base as Android devices were more widely used globally. The acquisition by Facebook in 2012. In April 2012, Facebook announced its acquisition of Instagram for approximately $1 billion in cash and stock. Despite concerns from some users about how the acquisition might change the platform, Instagram continued to operate independently under Facebook ownership. Number 5, introduction of video sharing in 2013. In June 2013, Instagram introduced video sharing, allowing users to upload short video clips alongside photos. These features added a new dimension to the platform and increased engagement among the users. Number 6, introduction of stories in 2016. In August 2016, Instagram launched Stories, a feature that allows users to share photos and video that disappear after 24 hours. This feature was heavily inspired by Snapchat's similar functionality and quickly became immensely popular, further, further solidifying Instagram's position as a leading social media platform. Number 7 is continued growth and innovation. Over these years, Instagram has continued to innovate and introduce new features to enhance the user experience. This includes the addition of IGTV, Instagram TV for long-form video content, shopping features to facilitate e-commerce, and various tools for creator and business. And lastly, achievement of milestones. Instagram has achieved several significant milestones since its inception, including reaching 1 billion monthly active users in 2018 and surpassing 1 billion downloads on the Google Play Store in 2020. From its humble beginning as a photo sharing app to its current status as a cultural phenomenon, Instagram journey exemplifies the power of social media in shaping how we connect, communicate, and share our life online. So that's the thing that I wanna talk about today. Thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.